because if they're having issues, we don't need them really having issues today. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, check this out. You can take a look at it. It's in your it's in Legacy.
Okay. Let's see what we got here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, market makers. Good morning, YouTube. Hopefully you guys had a solid Tuesday day and evening. We're back. We're ready to trade. We're ready to execute our strategies, waiting for our moves to execute. That's all we're doing today. Nice and simple. Did you put in the community discussion?
No, I messaged you on it.
Okay. Yeah, so my chat's not even refreshing here. Let me. Yeah, that was from the 27th.
No, I just sent it. It says it's in there. Let me see.
What's up, Smooth? Good morning, sir. Good morning. Oh, there we go. I had to refresh it like twice. Yeah, that's a crazy candle. And that is definitely a crazy candle.
The other ones were shooting out both sides. So it's like wherever you were in a trade.
Yeah.
Unless you're just like have a massive
That's on my trading view too, though.
No, I know. I'm just saying that was what the market was doing.
Yep. The market said, "Hold my beer."
No, there's some rug pulls going on, man.
Oh, what did I just click? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh boy. Oh boy. How did I just log out? What in the world? Oh, never mind. I didn't log out. Thank God. Oh God. I don't need this. My computer is connected to my. I did nothing, by the way, to fix my internet, but it's working on this computer. Like, I have no clue.
Well, there was like a lot of end of the month fixes going on. You know what I mean? I'm sure. So maybe it was like I don't know. I had to update. It almost tried to take me out in the middle of the trade. I'm like, no.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just confused. I was confused because I'm like, how is this not even working right now? Well, I've never had this type of issue. I've had where it needs an update, everything like that, but not where it's saying it won't connect to my home internet. That's just wild.
Yeah, that's weird. Hey, but it's about time we give Big G a shout out, man. What's
up, Big G? He's been quiet lately. You know what I'm saying? He's been quiet.
He's on to something, man. He's stacking. He's got like a safe swole, baby. The guy's a legend. I don't care what. It's time the world knew it.
It's time the world knew it. G is definitely a legend. He's one of the founders. He's one of the originators of the Legacy Wealth Society. One of my first members. Honored to still have him.
I'll just copy and paste that about myself too, man. There's like a couple with you from the beginning.
Yep, you, David, LJ.
Yep.
You guys were the originators.
He's already got the doodles. He's ready. Okay, I know you said that one candle big deal, but there's one that did that on both sides twice.
Yeah, we had news this morning. We still got news coming out too. Oh,
one of them hit at 455, so it was just kind of like it was, it's just random. I'm just saying.
Yeah, be careful. Make sure you got stop losses on. I do like the new economic calendar that Tradeify has. Is now international. It's not just for the U.S., so I like that. So now you can see what's happening around the world. So at 9:30 at 9:30 in the morning. Canada got news dropping. Then we have 9:45 news and 10 o'clock news this morning. So lots of news coming out. 10 o'clock, a lot of news coming out. 9:45, we got news coming out as well. So we're going to have to pay that some attention today. Let's see where the market's at, everything like that, so I can give you those stats. Alrighty, so the close from yesterday, 23,905.50. So that's below us. Our current VWAP sitting right at 72.25, 72.25 for the VWAP. Our 21 EMA, 81. So super close together right now. We do have a pivot above us, 266.50, 266.50. And let's see where the pivot's below us. The pivot below us is 614.50, 614.50. So, with those numbers, honestly, with news coming out, just be careful. Don't push anything. Just wait for your moves to happen. Don't just be jumping in because, oh, I saw something. No, don't do that today. Let's have a good day. Let's be patient. Because the patience gets the payouts. Literally. Let me run downstairs real quick. I gotta take a pill real quick.
What are you taking?
I gotta take an aspirin. I forgot to take my morning aspirin.
Aspirin?
We'll talk about it in a second.
It's like the house groove in an elevator.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Carmona.
I know y'all seen what it did this morning when we was able to access it. Boy, some people lost their marbles. I was going to say that.
Oh yeah, we were talking about those Widowmaker candles that came up.
Yeah, we definitely gotta love those. Good morning, well, good to have you on the stream, sir. What's up, Rob? Good morning. Good morning.
Definitely, I had a coworker call me. He's like, "Did you just see what freaking happened? I lost $2,000. I breached my account." I'm like, "Yeah, man, you gotta be careful. That happened."
Yeah, that's the news coming out.
That's what I told him. He's like, "I don't know what happened." I said, "It's probably the news or something." But it happened just right when the prop firms were able to start trading. It's about to be live right now.
We got less than a minute for a market open here. Less than a minute here. Well, actually, like less than 10 seconds, actually. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. So strap on, put your seatbelts on. Let's ride this roller coaster today. I'm excited to make some more money with y'all. Let's see if we get the ghost Trump tweet today to move the markets. Because yesterday, I go into my training session with my trainer, and he's like, bro, did you see what happened? I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, bro, Trump tweeted something at 12:30, and the market went to the freaking moon. I'm like, dang, I was driving and come see you. Slightly disappointed. We got that buying pressure right now. We got some buying pressure. So with that buying pressure, don't go shorting. Just saying. Listen, I've done it plenty of times to learn to save you guys some money. Don't short into buying wicks. And don't go long into selling wicks. Mind blown, I know. I know. Oh, man. So I'm currently able to take another payout with Tradeify. So I'm not, if the markets aren't moving how I want, I'm not going to trade that account today. But I will trade my other fundeds, get them to another payout, because on one of them, if I put in like less than $400, that's the payout on that account. That one's with Lucid. So technically I could take out like $3,000 a day if I wanted to. But we're just going to see how the market's moving. Like I told myself, I'm only going to do my payouts when the markets aren't moving how I like. If they are moving how I like, best believe your boy's trading those accounts. Looking like this potential little bear flag here on the 5-minute. But we got a lot of buying pressure, right? We got that buying pressure there. So I'm not like overly sold on, oh yeah, go short, go short. Nope. I'm holding, waiting until 9:45. Because that selling buying pressure right there. Oof. I don't like it. I don't like it, boys. Tell me how last night, like around like 8 o'clock, my trainer texts me. And he's like, bro, great job the past 2 days. You're crushing it. Just want to let you know we got legs tomorrow. I want you to get excited. I text him first, SpongeBob gif of him showing off his SpongeBob legs. I'm like, bro, I'm so excited. But how's this man texting me at 8 o'clock trying to motivate me? They ain't motivate. Don't tell me. Let me just walk into it. So now I have to think.
No. Roast it. All right, listen to me. That's part of the fun, man. Come on.
Is this like trainer psychological warfare? Is that what this is?
It's warfare, but it's also getting you in the warrior spirit, man. You're transforming your life.
I don't know if it's getting me in a warrior spirit, like defeated.
I'm speaking for you on this. I pull rank on you on this.
I pull rank on you. Morning, Rhonda. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a great Wednesday morning so far. I'm excited to be here with you guys. Just chilling, just vibing, and trying to print some money together. This is not financial advice. Entertainment purposes only. Look at this candle. Ooh. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. We got 9:45 news and 10 o'clock news today, so you're going to have to be extremely careful around those time frames. Don't want to get caught up in the news today. Trust me, it's not fun. That's happened to me before also. Previous times. Nothing recent, thank God, but Hmm. Yeah, I knew something was off. So I'm like,
Yeah,
how?
I was like,
I'm like, what? My chart's off. Like, what's going on there? Oops. There we go. Now we get the live action. Yeah, I'm just happy my internet's working today on this computer because yesterday was a struggle because it was lagging so far behind on my fills. It was not fun. Let's get the 5-minute doodle going. Let's see if we can keep this candle red. Personally, that's what I'd be looking for and wanting. Build us a bull flag and take us higher. I like confirmations. It makes it a little bit safer to trade. Rob, so if you were using Ninja Trader with a live brokerage account, they do charge for like the data, live data, everything like that. If you're just trading on Ninja Trader through Trade or like one of the prop firms, you don't get charged.
look, I have a brokerage account with Ninja, and I'm not paying any data. I just have the first tier, but picking.
All right, less than 10 minutes now. Less than 10 minutes for the first news that's dropping. Less than 10 minutes now, folks. 9:45. We got S&P Global Manufacturing PMI final in less than 8 minutes now. Because I'm using the sim account, it won't let me use the sim account. Are you using a prop firm or no, bro?
But if you have a brokerage account with them, they'll let you see the chart.
Yeah. Okay, so you should still be able to see the chart. It's just gonna be delayed. It's just gonna be delayed. Man, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Are we going to fill that entire wick of that big news candle? Take us up there to the 246. Oh, someone's trading. I heard it.
I'm just testing it because none of the timers are moving because it says it's like acting up. So
I love messing with y'all. I love messing with y'all.
okay, but let me ask you this: like, if the timers are working but the things are moving, can I trade? I mean, I should.
You can. Whenever that happens to me, I don't close my Ninja Trader. I just disconnect, then reconnect under the connections tab.
I'll do that later. I'm working on something right now.
Yeah. Well, you're in a trade, so I'm not telling you disconnect while in a trade.
Me a trader? I'm a trader.
Niner, you're looking at the 2-minute, the 5-minute, and Renko bars. And those are the only time frames I look at. Yeah, my trainer, he's like, he trades on high time frames. He does like just regular stock stuff, like companies. And I'm like, yeah, I'm on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. He's like, bro, that just sounds crazy. I'm like, yeah, if it was working, it's working. Rob, honestly, bro, just get a prop account and then trade on Ninja Trade. You'll get the live data feed without having to pay or anything like that.
You're making me pay, baby. Well, you could get a live account to ring the bell every Thursday. Thursday kick day. You know what I mean? Whatever.
For the market makers that are local, we're going to be doing, since it's now officially April, we're looking at the 18th. The 18th for us to be renting out some bays at Top Golf for the traders meetup in Central Florida.
CFL, baby.
And we'll be vibing. Come on, Betsy. What are we going to do? We got news coming out in 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes now. We got news coming out. Then we got news at 10. I'm honestly, today's one of those days when I'm actually okay waiting since we got so much news coming out. It doesn't give me like, oh man, I need to get in the markets. Nah. Let's let these news candles play out and then we'll jump in. I'm doing good, broski. How about yourself? Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets this morning. Alrighty. That's a decent little pullback there. Just when it was just moving so smooth. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Travis? Travis, how we looking on the payout, bro? How we looking, fam? DH, good morning. What's up, Warrior? Good morning. We got news at 9:45. Look at this dump right here. Woo! Woo! Those longs, those bulls getting squeezed right now. Thank God I'm just on the sidelines just watching till 9:45. But my little doodle would have saved me there because we never went through that top yellow line with momentum. So that means I'm not taking a long, thankfully.
Where is that doodle at? I can't see on your screen. Can you give me the approximate location?
The doodle?
Yeah, click on your doodle. Tell me what that top thing
The
is.
high is 199. 199.
199.99.
All right, we just went through the VWAP. We're below the VWAP currently. Ah, man. I don't know how I feel about that drop there. Well, let me doodle on my 2 minute. Let's see what we get, because that's a strong pull right there. That was a strong pull. So let's see if we build a flag off of it. Awesome, DH. Good job for you, bro. Ah, Travis, it happens, fam. It happens. You didn't blow the fundage, did you? Because even if you gave a little bit of money, that's okay. Just keep base hit and you'll get it back. DH, if you're on TradingView or TradingView, yes, you would set it for the 1 second. Mine right here, these are not second charts or anything like that. That's based off the price movement, how many ticks it's moving. Well, thank God, Travis, you stopped yourself. The psychology, bro, you're learning. You're learning. Oh, man, I like that rush. No rush. We're actually calm and collected. It's 9:45 too. Well, it's been 9:45 actually. My bad, folks. Horrible streamer this morning. Oh, it's almost 9:45. No, it is 9:45. Sorry about that. We got 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news is next. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. We're above this VWAP. We're above the VWAP. The 15-minute range has been completed as well. Let me give you those stats real quick. The low of the 15, 43.25, 43.25. The high, 194.75, 194.75. What's up, Dave? Good morning, sir. Just chilling, just waiting to see what we get. I need to see some momentum so I could execute a trade. Right now on that 2 minute, if we go up to that 21 EMA and reject, that would be a good little sign for us for a potential short coming. But we just gotta wait and see right now. I'm not risking anything for the biscuit today.
Risking it for the biscuit. When is the next news, oh great one?
10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. We got news at 10 this morning. Dave, it's going amazing, bro. I'm flat so far. I have not taken a trade yet.
Hey, I'm proud of you because I think you're going to go to Bulgaria in your workout. Do some Bulgarian split squats. You love those.
Oh, 100%. Coming down to my yellow line. We tapped my yellow line. Did not get the follow through. We're through the VWAP right now. We are through that VWAP. It's playing with my yellow line. I need full follow through for me to jump in.
He's gonna jump.
I closed that 240 right there. Not liking that green candle that popped in. I'm not trying to be in a short when buying pressure stepping in.
You're wise.
Dave, yes. I did take trades yesterday, made $2,300.
Maybe it'll be like around the world, like leg workouts, so you can like do some Japanese style, like sumo squats, Bulgarian split squats.
Let me rotate to the next funded account here.
Tray leg deadlifts, pistol squats.
Basics, folks. Basics. That's all we're doing here.
Duane's ignoring me.
I'm not ignoring you. You're scaring me right now. See, I'm not ready for legs today. My girl said I got SpongeBob legs.
What did she say with your legs?
No. Just messing. She didn't say I got SpongeBob legs.
SpongeBob legs. Oh my goodness.
So we still have some selling pressure here, but I need to see the full momentum. Good morning, sir. Welcome. I know it's early for you, bro. Appreciate you tuning in. We got news in 10 minutes now. 10 minutes for the news coming out at 10 here. We're still below the VWAP, but I need to see more momentum. We don't have enough momentum for me to want to take a short right now. I took that one trade, but I got out because I saw that green candle step in. I'm like, nah, I ain't shorting in a buying pressure. Bad for business. Bad for business. I'm actually, once I get off stream today, I gotta reach out to some of my managers. I got a team going out to Sarasota today for one of my businesses offline. Starting a new contract out there. So gotta make sure they got everything they need. You know what I'm saying? I gotta be like, hey, you guys good? I gotta do one of those.
Oh my goodness.
But my team, my management team here is they're just driving out there to drop cars off, patrol cars.
Yeah. Sarasota, that's nice.
Yeah, trying to be everywhere. Trying to be everywhere. Yeah, we cover the entire state, so always a good old time. Coming up to the middle of this 15-minute range, somewhere where I don't diddle. I'll tell you that. What kind of business is it, if you don't mind me asking? Well, Dave, I don't mind whatsoever. I own a security agency.
The Bulls and Bears firm.
And we cover cities all throughout the state of Florida. Yeah, like I said earlier, today's market does not have me like, oh, I'm excited to trade right now. Need to see some good moves. DH, you do security too, bro? What state you in, bro? That's awesome. Are you armed or unarmed?
I've got 2 arms, sir.
Yeah. We're not talking about these guns, Steve. We're talking about some other guns, all right? LP? Okay, nice.
I was an armed guard like in the dark ages. Remember the PR-24 I showed you?
Yeah. I remember.
And then it had the big mag lights and stuff. Like now it's just like you can have a light the size of your pinky that throws more light than the freaking mag light.
Yeah.
Kids today, they have it too easy.
All right, we pushed right through that middle of that 15-minute range, and we're still pumping a little bit here.
Yeah, that's why we could talk about trading now, because we got through the middle. Diddle in the damn middle.
Dave, honestly, it's a good business if you know what you're doing. Just like trading. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose some money. You're not going to get contracts, everything like that. Like, I have my business now for almost a decade. But I started probably the best way possible, where as soon as I started, I had customers ready, lined up. And we originally started like in the nightlife scene, and then from there I transitioned into corporate. So sitting right in the middle of this 15-minute range, and today I'm not going to get caught up in that because it's happened to me way too many times. Well, you know what? I could trade close to the middle of the 15-minute range, chopped. You know what I'm saying? Not doing that today. Plenty of save. That's what I should do. Instead of yapping, instead of being a yapper right now, let me log into my Lucid to see how much I need for another payout here for today. Alrighty, we need egg. Let's go, Travis. dollar amount. Let me see my dollar amount. Okay. I need to put in like a solid like 550 to take another pay on this Lucid account. I feel that, DH. Yeah, I'm real picky on all my ARM contracts because I don't like them being high risk. Alrighty. Let's see if I can make this 550 here. I only need like 516, but 550 just to give me a little bit extra cushion. You know what I'm saying? Cushion for the pushing. And if we do that, we'll take another payout from Lucid. Or I may just keep... I'm in this predicament right now. It's hard for me. We got news in less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. Now we got news coming out at 10 here. Keep that in mind while you're trading. We're sitting right on top of this 21 EMA. Hey, Big Black. Good morning, sir. Top of the morning to ya. Yep, stay safe, DH. Stay safe, bro. For me, right? I'm slightly torn right now. I'm torn. Because this to me is looking like a big old bear flag. To me, that's what that's looking like. I could be wrong. Because believe it or not, sometimes I am wrong. If we get back below that VWAP, then we be getting primed for some shorts. But I want to get below that VWAP for shorts. Watch it just like catapult straight to the moon right now. There's a heavy daily support below the VWAP. Okay. Good call out. I'm just looking at the structure that we're getting right now on the 5 minute and the 2 minute. So that's what I'm saying. Like for me, if I was trying to take a short, I want us to get below that VWAP, below this 21 EMA as well that we're sitting like right on top of right now. To give me the warm and fuzzies. I need warm and fuzzies to trade sometimes, believe it or not. All right, less than 2 minutes now for the news at 10. Less than 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Hey, let's go, Niner. Bro, once you start seeing them, you can never unsee them. And then if you go to like another like trader stream, right, they'll be talking, oh yeah, right here because of Ghibli gosh happened, and no, you'll see the bull flag, be like, bro, that's why it went up. There's a whole bull flag. Or it went down, there's a whole bear flag. Like people try dressing up, throwing like extra stuff on top. Nah, bull flags and bear flags. That's it. That's all you need. Jimmy, gosh. We still got some selling pressure right here. I'm waiting to see who's going to win this battle. News is getting ready to drop in 30 seconds. 30 seconds pretty much for the news to drop here. 30 seconds now.
Canadian news or what? Like, is it, or this news from Poland? What is it?
It's for the U.S.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah, I believe it's the manufacturing. Let's see. Yeah, the manufacturing PMI.
Okay, because I know you were saying it's going international, so I was just curious.
Yes, Niner, if they close higher than 50% of the poll, for me, it'll negate the flag play. Could the play still work? Yes. It's just more risque. You know what I'm saying? Risque. It's more risque. If you got your account with Lucid, you're going to need to go over to Tradeavate if that's the platform you decide to trade with, using the credentials that the Lucid gives you to log in. Coming up to my yellow line, we got news. Well, news already came out and didn't really do much, so. Someone just asked, anyone know how to fix the candle timer on Ninja? Off by good, disconnect, reconnect, bro. If you're having timing issues on NinjaTrader, just disconnect, then reconnect. And that should correct it. We're above this middle of the 15-minute range. Like I said, I'm just like honestly not overly excited for today's price action so far. All right, we just cleared some wicks there. All right, we're creeping here. Hey, let's go, Travis. No. So, Lorraine, or on your, what platform did you choose on Lucid? Most likely you chose Tradeavate. And then if you chose Tradeavate and you're trading from a phone, right, with Lucid, just do Tradeavate on your phone. When you're on a computer and you're trying to do like the NinjaTrader, everything like that, then just trade NinjaTrader on the computer. On your phone, do Tradeavate. Have a good one, DH. All right, we're starting to push here. Let's see if we get a bull flag. I need some type of a flag. I'm not, excuse me. I'm not just trying to jump in just to jump in here.
Yeah, don't cough on your own spit.
Let's see if we get some structure here for a flaggy flag. Take us to the moon, and we'll ride it all the way.
We're standing by.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I put that little doodle on that 2 minute there.
I'm looking at it. I'm seeing where I always like to look at how close to the body of the candle it is, dude. That's kind of my barometer of your risk assessment. Like sometimes that thing is sitting like a hat. Like it moves up like 2 ticks and you're in.
But I've been burned sometimes doing that too. So, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes I'll move it just a little bit further away. So I don't get tempted to jump in.
No, total respect to you. What I was saying was like, but it's kind of funny. It's like seeing the inside code. You know, okay, it's like okay, it's and you know you're really serious about risk if you're leaving it above the wick. Then you're just like, okay, he's really just kind of seeing where the market's going.
Give me that momentum. There's my yellow line. I need follow through. I need full follow through.
Not seeing it yet.
Yeah, no follow through yet. Tap my yellow line there and fell right off of it. Come on, Betsy. Okay, let's see if we add some more structure here. I don't want to engulfing the previous candle though. Oh, looking at the 2 minute here. Nope.
Hey, what is your EMA at, brother?
My EMA on my trading view chart is sitting like right at 117.75 area.
Okay, so I'm at 114. So hi, neighbor.
Hey.
Could I borrow some sugar? I mean, right now, like as opposed to like I'll give you a long distance call.
A long distance call. We got the middle of this 15-minute range sitting right there as well. So I'm just playing it safe. I'm not jumping in. I'm waiting for the move. Waiting for a move here.
Here we go.
That good old buy-in wick right there. I like to see that. Let's see if we continue with follow through.
Come on, Artemis, take off.
Let's go, Betsy.
Come on, you know you need to do it.
Yeah, now it's playing. And my music stopped right when I'm in this trade. This is craziness. Come on, Betsy. Not liking this price action right here. I may get ready to kill this one.
We got 1 minute left on all candles, brother, including the 5.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, she's playing hard to get right now.
Come on, it's Artemis on the launch pad. Countdown to launch.
It's either we got a rocket ship right here or I'm closing. I'm not liking this price action.
We got 20 seconds on those candles for what that's worth, my friend.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, thank you. I need some music. This is crazy.
La 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 la.
Wait, keep going. Keep doing that, Steve. It kept the market started going up when you started doing that. It liked it. The market liked it.
It's running away from me. Come on, Bessie. Come on. This is the time. It's your time to shine. Come on, baby.
Like the Bulls want to, but they just failed. I closed that. No, thank you. Kill that trade.
That was almost like a hot new jam. You're like, kill that trade, and all of a sudden the beat comes in. Kill that trade. I was walking down the street, trading the thing.
Where are you trading? This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq. Good morning, everybody that's tuning in here. I killed that trade. I did not like that price action there. I did not like that price action. So instead of just risking it for the biscuit, I just closed. And there was tons of slippage there as well, which is crazy. But we patiently wait. To Tokyo lows, Rhonda, anything's possible. Anything is possible. I should have closed when I was in the green. I was expecting a little bit more of a push up. That's why I didn't close. But it's all right.
No push-ups like
All right, we got this 21 EMA creeping up towards us. Sitting at 126.50. And yeah, I'm not trusting this right now. I'm not trusting it.
Good morning, guys.
What's up, Mitch? Good morning.
We're waiting for you.
My yellow line, market likes messing with it.
How's everybody doing?
So far, so good, bro. Another day in paradise.
Oh, y'all saw that crazy pump yesterday afternoon?
Bro, I was hot. My trainer told me about it. I'm like, what?
Yeah, I witnessed that. It was nasty.
Nasty face.
But a lot of people made money. A lot of people lost money. I know that.
That is true.
Oh, by the way, thank you for doing the connection trick because I rebooted it, but for some reason it didn't change it. But then I did the connect and reconnect. It seems to have fixed it.
Perfect. Awesome.
It's great to be a part of something bigger than yourself.
That it is. That it is. Let me rotate off this account for now. Let me pull up this copy trader. The copy trader. All right, 169. Good. So we're still playing at my yellow line here. Sorry, folks. I'm holding the market up today, or holding it down, because this thing looks like it wants to like rip up a little bit. It just, we don't got enough push yet.
Got an interesting W pattern if you look at the large high that we had earlier before market opened. The market opens little middle portion of the W. Very choppy RMO currently.
Yeah, this is definitely a choppy part of the arm, so to speak. All right, that was 760 on how many accounts was that? Copy traded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. So 760 on 5 accounts right there. We'll definitely take that. Let me get my next copy trade set up real quick. Steve's laughing. I don't know if that's a good laugh or bad laugh. We're going to find out. Let's see if we build another bull flag here.
It's getting in position, baby. It's going to roll.
I'm debating. Do I take this payout from Tradeify? I want to keep stacking it. That's my issue. I want to build a bigger buffer. Decisions.
Yeah, but you're the ace. You could come back from $1.
I don't know about $1. Listen, that's hard right there. If I $400, yes, $1. Kiss that account goodbye. We got that selling wick on that 5-minute candle. No wick on the current 2-minute though. No wick on the current 2. So far for the day, I'm green in like 6 or 7 accounts, red in 1 account. Just waiting here. I want to get these two accounts on the board as well. Waiting for the momentum here on this bull flag. Let's see if we get to that yellow line with follow through. I need that follow through. No follow through for me, no trade. Because on that 5-minute, we got a minute 30 left. A minute 30 left on for the 5-minute candle. We got that selling pressure. We got that selling wick. I don't like that. Full transparent. I don't like that for a long. So I need full follow through my top yellow line to get me a jump in on this trade.
And Duane wants to feel real momentum on this because it kind of waffled before. He needs to see the rocket ship start.
Yeah. Right now the engines are primed and ready. Are we going to get that follow through though? Take your money? We'll see. We'll see. I haven't traded the account I could take the payout on today, just in case I want to take the payout. Not trying to risk it.
For the biscuit.
Exactly. Let's go, baby. Lightweight, baby. Always, Rob, I feel you, but also it's one of those things where I'm okay if I'm deciding if I want to build the accounts higher to like $5,000 and then take payouts. So that way it's always set. We touch my yellow line without follow through.
Do you have like a maximum payout on that? Like if you make too much on it, you can't get it ever out, or is it all you could?
Oh, what was that?
Yikes!
I don't like that. So the max payout on the account I can take a payout on currently is a $3,000 payout. That's the max payout every 5 days. That's what Tradeify. That's a Tradeify 50K select account.
Yeah, so but basically with that account, like just say you had a banner day and you ran up 10 grand, you take like 3 grand now, and then don't really just keep it in play and then take 3 grand the next week, 5 days later, right? Just you could keep drawing it down. So
Yeah,
it's
you
not
can.
like anything gets lost. Yeah, that's what I was curious about.
No. Oh, this is hard right here. This is difficult. Not going front. We pushed through my yellow line. We didn't have enough momentum and follow through, so I didn't take it. As soon as we popped right above it, it instantly got smacked by the bears. The bears said, "Where are you going?" and pulled that price right back down.
I'm telling you, it's there's a Camarilla pivot right above it that it's
Okay.
stopping on. The wicks are stopping right there.
Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets today. Where's that pivot? All right, there we go. We should be through that pivot you had.
Yeah,
That ghost pivot.
it's not ghost pivot, you monster. I use it with my other trades, the Camarilla pivot.
Yeah, we don't have enough momentum right now. I'm like, I want to click the button, but I just can't.
No, I wouldn't do it. It's not showing you. It's not giving you reason to yet.
I'm still in the trade from 24-160.
Okay, good. There you go.
All right, we just popped out of the high of the 15-minute range there without me, which is annoying. But all right, let's see if we pull back down to it real quick. Give me a chance to enter as we push up. The market is a money machine, 100%. That's why we love to trade it. We print monies over here. All right, there we go. Tapping that high of the 15-minute range. That's what I wanted to see. Because I don't like when we just keep going away from the 15-minute range without retesting it.
Well, there you go. You got your wish. Now let's
Yep.
try. Rock and roll. market's putting me to sleep.
At least it's putting one of us to sleep.
I think I'm gonna just save my fury for tonight.
Save your fury for tonight. Yep. Take care of that Asian session. Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this. Not getting that push I wanted. Let's see if the bulls step in. I was expecting us to push back out of this 15-minute range. Look at, I wasn't looking at that 5-minute. I don't like the way that looks. That selling pressure. Been so focused on just the Rincos, I didn't even glance over at that 5. Showing that selling pressure. Let's see if we can rip through here. Come on, Betsy. You can do it. Yeah, too much selling pressure. Let's see if the bulls start pushing here.
There's news coming out at 10:30. I heard too.
10:30.
Yeah, we've got oil news coming out, so that might affect some things. But I'm pretty sure it was just like how much the quantity kind of thing, like how much they got.
Okay.
So just be mindful that it could affect it, but not guaranteed.
Great. So we got news coming out 10:30. I'm in a trade. I may just cut this thing since we got news coming out. Because that's the one thing I don't do. I don't sit in trades through news.
You don't diddle in the middle either.
And for anybody that's following oil, kind of the opposite of the Nasdaq. So oil's pumping, Nasdaq's dumping, Nasdaq's pumping, oil's dumping. So in case anybody wants to be mindful of that, especially during these war times. Yeah, because if you look at yesterday, we had that severe dump in oil. Nasdaq was a severe pump. So
I want to pump you up. I'm lucky. I drive a hybrid.
I drive a hybrid.
The V8 runs the alternator, and the alternator runs the radio.
hey man, it's all part of that 2030 agenda where everything's supposed to be electric, no more gas-powered cars and
No,
stuff.
fuck that shit. I wouldn't drive a hybrid. It's pure gasoline, baby. My truck, my new truck is 1990. That's about as new as I want to go.
I don't like electric cars. I'm taking gas all day, every day.
Yeah.
I want to hear.
Come on, give me the pump. Give me the pump.
Let me hear the roar of that V8.
That's it.
I've sat through the structure of a bull flag here. Yeah, I'm like,
You've been holding that trade for a minute, bro.
oh, I know.
That's longer than usual. I'm surprised. I'm impressed.
Trust me, I know. I'm getting ready to close this thing.
Duane just wrote his first country song. I sat through the structure of a bull flag. It was. I sat through the.
Gonna be in 2026 Billboard Top 10.
Take me to the moon. I wasn't saying just for fun. Take me higher. Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot. I passed my Apex yesterday.
Hey, let's go, G.
So pretty much to do next, I see it says purchase PA.
Yep.
Okay.
My bad. I'm still in this trade, folks.
No, you're good. You're good.
Hey, G, congratulations. I know. I mean, no, great. I mean, you put in a lot of work. That's awesome. Apex, baby.
My first Apex. And
That's
well,
awesome.
my Apex, and I got another. I got Lucid.
I closed that. I closed it. We're getting ready to build another bull flag right here. I just closed it. Take my money. We're going to push. We are going to push. I may re-enter. But yeah, so once you pass that eval with Apex, you have to pay the activation fee for it to become a paid account.
It's what, $99, right?
If you did the end of day, yes.
No, intraday.
Intraday is like $70.
Why does it say? For some reason, it said when I go to purchase, it says 99. I'm like, why did you see that?
Well, if that means you have end of day, not intraday.
It says intraday on. It says intraday trail.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Unless they raise prices, that's weird. Before it was like 70 something bucks. Big Black saying it's $85.
Yeah.
This is
trading.
trading.
Was 85.
Okay. Yeah, I got 2 end of day PAs only paid $79. That's weird. I know the end of day, it's like 80 or $90. Intraday was cheaper.
Intraday ain't cheaper now.
It's 10:33. Corey, they're talking about Apex. If you're trying to start trading, everything like that, I always recommend. Oh, sign me out of that too. Jesus. I always recommend Tradeify, then Lucid. There's no activation fees with those firms, and they're solid firms to trade with. They pay very quickly, everything like that as well. So check out Tradeify. Use code LWS. That gets you 40% off your first 5 accounts. After that, it drops down to 30%. But you can start with Tradeify. There's no subscription, one-time fee, all in. If you buy the the 25K account, you literally pay like $50, all in.
Tradeify or that was Lucid?
That's Tradeify. It's like $50 all in for the 25K account.
I didn't even think that last time I was on there, they didn't even have 25.
They just released it yesterday.
Yeah, that's why I'm legacy, because news comes out.
That it does.
But the thing is like, what is Lucid doesn't have that monthly on it, so if you don't pass in a month, you're gonna re-up it at Tradeify, right?
Tradeify no longer has the subscription either.
Oh my goodness, somebody put them over a barrel, I tell you.
I'll tell you.
I declare.
Let's see if we get a little bear flag or something so I can clean this account up a little bit.
Lucid has better profit target to drawdown, I think.
They're all the same pretty much now, to be honest with you.
Well, I'm going to check it out because the market is not keeping my attention right now.
I feel that.
No, just like it's not worth it for me to be looking out. I'll catch my break after hours. Hey Dwayne, Lucid Flex.
Yep.
Profit target is 1250. Max loss is 1,000. Tradeify is 1,500 for the profit target. So
Okay.
I'm going with Lucid on this.
All right, clean that up a little bit right there. He just said it, Rob. He just said it. Yeah, so on the new 50K, they're not even new. On the 50K accounts now, select accounts with Tradeify, they upped your profit target in the eval to the $3,000. But that's standard across all the firms. So that part should not be a surprise. They were testing out the 2,500. Yeah, let me get off this account. I should not be trading it. But I think I see a move coming. You know what I'm saying? No, Rob, no. So with Tradeify, the profit target for your 50K eval is 3K. But once you're in the funded stage, if you do the select flex, you just need to make $150 for 5 days and you can take a payout. There is no profit target in the funded stage if you do the flex side. If you do the daily payout side, you have to hit $2,100, and everything above that you can start taking daily payouts on. To the moon, baby, to the moon. To the moon. I'm done. Your boy's done. I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay, huh? Sorry, boys. I had to take a ride by myself there. Your boy had to take a ride by himself. Just clean that up.
Hey,
We just
good
cleaned
job.
that up right there. I was negative $500. Cleaned it up. Profit $1,255 on my funded Lucid. So we'll definitely take that payout today as well. Hey, we'll take it. A change hot? I'm sorry. Your boy got excited there. That sounds way better. The flex. Yeah, Rob, I only do the flex accounts with Tradeify. So the Tradeify Select Flex is what I do. Wow, look at that retracement right there, as Moose would say. I'm done trading, boys. Your dog's done trading. I made my money. I should be happy. But I do have eval I could trade. I do have eval. Let me switch over to that Tradeify eval here. See what we got popping. I'm not a big fan of their dashboard now. Somewhat. I'm not used to it yet. the Tradify dashboard I'm not used to, so I feel like it's kind of buggy still. Oh, Travis, don't say that. How did I scare you, fam? How did I scare you? That's crazy. Don't be putting that on me. You clicked the button. I was excited. I was scared, so I clicked the button. That's crazy. My bad, fam. Your boy got excited. You know what I'm saying? I just had like a $1,700 trade or close to a $2,000 trade to put me in the green. Yeah, your boy was excited. My bad. My badness. That's my fault. My fault. My fault. The max you can make is 1,200. Stay within the motion. What are you talking about? On the eval stage? Are you talking about the eval? Let's see. Since I just put that in, actually, yeah, I'll probably take a. We'll see. Honestly, since you have to hit the $3,000 target, right? You have to trade it for 3 days. 3 days. So on the eval, just do base hitting for a week to put the $3,000 in. Oh, it hasn't updated yet. I was like confused. I'm like, huh? All right. That just scared your boy there for a second. I'm looking at something like, why is it saying that? It hasn't updated yet. All right, let's trade this eval. Let's put some bread in this little eval here. How much we need in this one? Oh, this is a fresh one, somewhat. Alrighty. I had to always see like how much I need, so that way I know should I trade a little bit harder or less. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
So when you, oh, okay, it says active periods. Okay, it just popped up. Okay, yeah, now it says period. All right. Oh, I could trade.
Hey, let's go. Remember, with that account, 5 days for a payout. You have to make $250 a day if that's a 50K account.
It's a 50K.
Okay, so you have to make $250 for the day to count with Apex.
Oh, got you. Okay.
Just wanted you to be aware of that, so that way you're not trying to do like Trade Fire or lose like the 150, and then you're like, why can't I request a payout? You know what I'm saying? Like. And they do have that profit target of $2,600 as well.
Say what?
You have to put in like $2,600 to request be able to request a payout.
Oh, 2,600.
Yep. So they do have that profit target you have to hit.
Okay. I want to make over that.
No, of course, G. Of course. I'm not saying that's all you're gonna make. I'm just saying that's the amount you have to put in order to request a payout. That's all.
Yep. Well, I got these two funded. Yep. So.
470 right there. We'll take that. I'm officially done trading today. My heart's racing too fast. My fingers are sweating. I did not. Oh, yeah. I'm like, wait, why didn't I trade that account? Oh. Ah. Do I do it? Man. Oh. That's rough. That's rough right there. Honestly, I'm going to hold off. Because on my Lucid account, I need less than $300 for a 2K payout. So I will wait. Like, the market's moving pretty well right now. Till decisions. I'm gonna let it sit there. If something big happens, I'll take it. If not, I'll just come back tomorrow, put that $300 in for that 2K payout. What was the news? Honestly, I don't know what. I believe they were saying that we were having
oil news.
Oil at 10:30 today.
It's all oil news. Like I said, if you watch oil, it's the direct opposite of the Nasdaq. So
Coming up to my yellow line here. Are we going to get through it with some momentum? Show me some momentum so I can jump in. I only need $300. We popped through my yellow line, but instantly coming right back down. There we go. Bam. Just got it done. 2K payout right there with Lucid. Like shooting fish in a freaking barrel, boys. Shooting fish in a freaking barrel. Let me double check. Make sure we did clear that target I had to hit. There we go. 2K payout with Lucid. I'll take a payout most likely. Now I'm like, do I just tomorrow continue to base it my Tradeify account so I can take a 2K payout on that one as well? We'll see how the markets are moving tomorrow, but tonight, once they refresh the account, I will take the 2K payout from Lucid. Last Wednesday on the same account, I took $1,500 out. Today, or I'll wait till actually tomorrow morning stream. We'll take a 2K payout live with you guys. Travis, when you're rotating through a lot of accounts, bro, that happens, bro. Just seeing your chat there, it happens, fam. You gotta be always double check your account, the last 3 digits. That's what I do. I always check the last 3 digits when I'm switching through accounts to make sure I'm on the right account. But decent day in the markets. Today was a decent day. I'm gonna put on the screen and add up my total for the day. Let's put it right there. Put that there. And I only add up the take home. I don't add up the gross. I only take add up what I'm actually getting for the accounts. If you're on the horizontal, you can see my screen. Yeah, that's a solid day. $6,600 for the day. 6,600 bucks. Now that's what I'm freaking talking about. I'll take that every day of the week. 6,600 bucks for today's session.
Trading,
Huh?
you copy trading?
I was copy trading.
And how many accounts are you copy trading?
Total with that, I copy traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another group of some Lucid accounts.
Okay.
So I copy traded 5 accounts together, and then copy traded 2 accounts with Lucid.
Okay.
You were copy trading? We just printed another bull flag. We got a bull flag on that 2 minute, and we're still pumping up here. Decisions. Because now that I have that 2K payout secure with Lucid, I'm like, do I put some money in? Do I put some, not put money in, but do I trade my Tradeify account that I could take a payout on and get that where I could take a 2K payout so I can take a 4K payout? Decisions. What's copy trading? Well, Robert, when you're trading with prop firms, you can have multiple accounts. And copy trading is you'll trade all your accounts all at once. They follow one of your 5 accounts. So you'll have one account that you have your other 4 accounts copying. So whenever you take a trade on your one account, your other 4 accounts are in the same trade. And that's what copy trading is. I rotate through fundeds, and now I've been learning and getting the feel of copy trading. I don't recommend copy trading until you're consistently getting payouts just through rotating accounts. Because copy trading is not for the faint of heart, and it will mess up your psychology if you do it wrong. So do not copy trade. I recommend getting 1 to 2 accounts and rotating. So you take a base hit on your first account, you switch to your next account, do another base hit. Solid day in the markets. Hopefully you guys stayed safe today. It's been a good ride for this morning. Not gonna lie, we got news all week long here. Let me, just in case. I only got couple more minutes left on today's stream. If we get a move I like, I'm gonna take it. If we don't, no love lost. Let's move my doodle line up. I don't know why it's not letting me. There we go. Come on, Betsy. Go through my yellow line with momentum. We got that pivot point up there. That's what I'm targeting here. Extra 240 right there. Have a good one, Rob. We're sitting right at this pivot. We're sitting right at this pivot. That's what I was targeting. That's why I took that trade right there.
Trading?
And honestly, I should probably stop. Your boy should probably stop trading.
Yeah, I spoke.
We hit our first target of the day as well. Well, no, we missed it by a tick actually. That 270.75, 270.75.
Yeah.
Or no. Yeah. Missed it by like barely a tick. So
When you coming tomorrow? Friday? Alright, what time you coming in?
what's up, Andrew? Andrew, you joined the builders plan, correct? Honestly, Andrew, it hasn't. My risk to reward is different than most, right? And yes, my base hits are normally between $200 to $1,000. That's my base hit. But I go off of my percentages, right? So if I have a bad trading day where I lose $1,000 because that's normally my max loss I want to have on per account that I have, $1,000. I can live to fight another day if I lose $1,000 on a trade in an account. But the whole thing is, those losses don't happen often. So when they do, it's like, dang, that sucks. But if you just base hit each and every day and you stack it over time, you won't be affected. What's up, BP? BP, your boy only did $6,800 a day. It's been a slow and steady one. But Andrew, for you, I would always recommend rotating accounts. So I'm not sure how familiar you are with prop firms, but go with the firm you like. Tradify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Apex. We just hit our first target there, and get 1 to 2 accounts, and you'll rotate between the two. So you're never putting at risk. One account your entire trading session. That's one way that will help you last at this, because if you're putting all your eggs in one basket, when the market tries snatching it, it's snatching everything. You know what I'm saying? Have you watched the strategy video yet in the vault, Andrew? So we went through that first target. I want to see another flag. I'm staying till 11:10. If we get another flag, I'm gonna take it. If not, I'm gonna run with the money I made and not look back. We'll like to see a flag above this pivot, with some momentum, so we can execute and keep it moving. BP, I love that you're crushing it, bro. Well, Andrew, what you have to do, don't use my risk strategy, bro. Don't go based off of how much I'm willing to lose. You have to decide for yourself, like, what your base hit is. You have to decide what your base hit is. And once you figure that out, then you can decide what you want your stop loss to be at, how much you're willing to lose for that account each day. Niner, yes. And if you're a member of the Legacy Wealth Society, it's only for the paid members. So you can literally get the lowest paid tier, which is $20, and you get my full strategy with how we do everything. This is the Nasdaq. I'm probably gonna just stay on the sidelines at this point. We already did what we had to do today. But yeah, back to you, Andrew. Since you're on that, you're a builder. Figure out what you're willing to lose. Like, if you're willing to lose 200, 100, whatever your number is, that's your number. Don't go based off my 1,000. I don't do that. Levels to this game, sir. Levels to this game. But you have to do what you're comfortable with. If it's $200, are you going to trade micros or minis? You have to make all those decisions. So we did not get, well, we may. We got 5 more minutes on today's stream. 5 more minutes, folks. And then I'm jumping off. Brian, appreciate you, bro. This is all we do, bro. Rinse and repeat, sir. We're not fixing the wheel. We're not changing it, nothing. Put something together that works and it simply prints. And I stick to it. We're back above that pivot. Brian, definitely follow this channel. We stream twice a day. No, couldn't even talk there. Twice a day. We do the traders hangout every single night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, and every morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, for the live trading sessions. Also, it's literally my name, Duane Broom with two eyes, across all social media platforms. Yes, we could definitely trade in these influential times, political times. Today we made over $6,800. And that right there is going to keep me out the markets. That quick little reversal it just did, that let me know I'm done. I'm not trading anymore today. I'm not giving the market makers their money back. Andrew said something. Let me go back to that. Okay. Andrew, definitely, if you're going to use my strategy, bro, the Renkos are a must, fam. They are a must. They keep the guesswork out. Steve got out of here. Mitch got out of here as well. BP, G, and Carmona, they're muted. What's up, Brad? Didn't know you snuck in here. But they're quiet right now. Everybody made all their money. They love. They come. The market makers make their money and they slide. What's up, Yaz? But definitely, Andrew, look into adding the Renko bars if you're trying to use my strategy, because that's what will give you that extra confirmation. The whole thing with trading is this is educated guessing, believe it or not. Educating guessing. But in order to keep it a little bit safer, we need to have confirmations. And the Renkos are my confirmations to enter or exit a trade. Reminder, we got the hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys tune in. We're going to have some fun. Andrew, and if you have other questions, bro, feel free to shoot me a DM in the community, bro. Because since you are a builder, you have access to me in the community. So shoot me a DM, and I'll answer any questions you got. And if you need, also, that's what I got to do, too. I got to put that in the vault. I'll do that tonight. I'm going to put the workspaces in the vault. So you will literally have the same screen that's on the screen that you're watching right now. So you'll have everything that I got. How did you get this cool setup? I put everything together myself. Took some time, but I figured it out. Andrew, the email you use in the community, is that the best email for you? If it is, I'll shoot you an email today with the workspace. So if you're trading on Ninja Trade, you'll just literally upload it to your Ninja and you'll have the workspace. Well, folks, it's 11:10. It's 11:10 here. Your boy is done. I'm tapping out. I gotta get off these charts because if I stay, I may give the market some money back, and we're not trying to do that. We made our money and we're running. That's it. So have a great rest of your day, family. Legacy, nothing but love to y'all. And I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout. Enjoy the rest of your day, folks. Be blessed. BP, Brett, everybody, have a great rest of your day. All right, I got you, Andrew. I'll send it to you in a couple hours. Have a good one, boys and ladies. Be blessed, y'all.